Bonjour. So, students, as I told you that I will be sharing answer keys of question number 2, 3, 4, and 7 in this video. Okay, so let me explain what is question number 2. It's just similar to question number 1 we have done yesterday in the class. Okay, you just need to change these verbs into imperative form. Okay, so here we have done the normal verbs, er ending, ir ending, and re ending verbs. Here we are having only er ending verbs, but all are the pronominal verbs. Okay, so the first one is affirmative and this one is negative. So in pronominal verb, nothing is like difficult thing is there. You just need to put the reflexive pronoun. Okay, so with in the tu form, se couche will become couche tua, and er ending verb I told you to drop s from the conjugation. Okay, so it's couche tua. Sabil, it's abil tua. Salab, it's lav tua. Sa promene, it's promene tua. Grave will come here on e. Okay, Saravaye, it's reveal tua. Again, agu will come on e, first e. Okay. Now, if we talk about the nu form, then it will be kushonu, abilonu, lavonu, promenolu, ravayu, nu. Easy. And similarly, in the vu form, it's kushevu, abilevu, lavevu, promenevu, e ravaye, vu, and ends with the exclamation mark. Okay, similarly in the na, pa, sa, leve, it all the pronominal negative form, so it is similar again. Just don't need to change reflexive pronoun the to tua. It will remain the only. So na, ta, aret, pa. Okay, because it is starting from a vowel, that's why we are putting t apostrophe. Then na ta muspa, na ta raspa, na ta lavpa, na ta kushpa. Now in the new form, na nu zartopa, na nu zamuzepa, na nu rasopa, na nu levopa, na nu kushopa. And the last one is na nu zaretepa, na vu zaretepa, na vu zamuzepa, na vu razepa, na vu levepa, and na vu kushepa. Okay. Now, question number 3 is complete chaque phrase avec la forme correcte du verb savoir et connaître. So, I told you that savoir is when you know the facts, okay, information, and connaître when we are talking about place, thing, or a person, okay. So, it depends upon the verb. Like, for example, nous dash prepare un gâteau au chocolat. Okay, so it's a normal fact that how to make a cake. So Samo will come. Okay, then vous connaissez bien les rues de Paris. You know very well the roads of Paris. So facts and then related to thing. Then dash il a prix de cette voiture. Okay, so knows the price of this car. Okay, so knowing a price means fact or information, so it's savoir verb. Okay, similarly the other verbs, je connais la numéro de téléphone de Jacques. Okay, numéro de téléphone, it's a thing that you are knowing the telephone number of Jack. Okay, it's we are talking about a person, किसी person का telephone number, so we are using connaître verb. And last one is to say a quelle heure Marie arrive aujourd'hui. So you know at what time Mari is arriving today. Okay, so the time, when we are talking about time, facts, and information, we use savoir. Okay, now question number 4 is remplacer le présent par l'imperative. You have to convert these sentences into imperative form. Okay, so it's very easy. You just need to drop the pronoun from each and every sentence, and then you end it with exclamation mark. Only few exceptional cases are there. For example, this avoir verb. Okay, and then this savoir verb, and here it is être verb. Okay, rest all will be the same. Okay, so I have done it for you in my register with the English translation. Okay, so number 1 is marcher vite. Marcher vite means walk fast. Then choisir un fruit, it's a choose a fruit. Appelons nos enfants, let's call our children. Regarde la télé, watch the television. Na soyons pas en retard. Let's not be late. Faites le devoir. Do homework. Va à l'école. It's go to school. Sachons la vérité. Let's know the truth. Vérité means the truth. Soyez dans la maison. Be at home. Adverb. Na sortez pas. Don't go out. Na vous levez pas. These are don't get up at 10 a.m. Na tabil pa avu. Senka don't get dressed before 5 a.m. Levonu tot. Let's get up early. Kush tua tat, sleep late, and ayedu courage, it's have courage. Okay, so these all the verbs I will be sharing this with um, as a PDF file in your WhatsApp group as well. Okay, and the last question is complete le phrase on utilizo le verb done. So the similar thing, verbs given here you need to conjugate it according to the sentences. So boar, war, saleve, prendre, ale, fini, ranger, balaye. Reste ponce, everybody know the meaning of all these verbs, okay? Range is to arrange, so ma mer ema sir range lar salon, okay? Arranging the room. Balaye vula maison, balaye is to sweep the house, okay? The next one we are having ale vit ale call, okay? Let's go to the school fast. Let's quickly go to the school. La mer dit for no finissons la devoir en 15 minutes. Okay, we are finishing the homework in 15 minutes. Il boit du jus de fruits. Okay, they are drinking fruit juice. Je prends le bus. I take the bus. Nous nous levons. Okay, this is a pronominal verb. So levons at 6 heures du matin. We get up, okay, at 6 o'clock. Then je pense qu'il est malade, okay. Je pense means to think. So I think that he is sick. Il voit beaucoup de monde au supermarché. They see a lot of people in supermarket. And last one is aujourd'hui nous restons à la maison. So today we are resting at house, okay. So this is the normal thing, okay. So I hope it is clear to you. I will be sharing the answer keys as a PDF file as well. So just have a look and do practice a lot, okay. So merci, au revoir.